Have you ever noticed those little details in everyday objects that seem completely ordinary, yet serve a purpose you've never thought twice about? From the seemingly insignificant arrow next to your gas symbol to the mysterious punt at the bottom of a wine bottle, these hidden features have fascinating stories to tell. They've been carefully crafted to make your life easier, safer, and more efficient, often without you even realizing it. Ready to uncover the secrets behind the everyday items you use and see every day? Let's discover the hidden meanings that will change the way you look at the world around you. The arrow next to the gas symbol on your dashboard. It's a small detail, yet it's one of those things you never really think about until you're stuck at the pump, staring at your car like it's an alien spacecraft. The little arrow next to the gas symbol is a simple indicator of where your gas tank is located. If it points left, your gas cap is on the left side. If it points right, it's on the right. The perforations on aluminum wrap boxes. Those little perforations on the sides of your aluminium wrap box might seem like an insignificant design quirk, but they hold a hidden purpose. They're called end locks, and when you push them in, they secure the roll inside, preventing it from unraveling uncontrollably. This clever detail ensures that you don't rip off half the roll every time you need a single sheet. It's one of those hidden design features that saves time, reduces waste, and makes your life just a little bit smoother. It's a small victory for the everyday kitchen warrior. The tiny hole outside an elevator. Ever wondered what that tiny hole on the side of an elevator is for? It's not a sneaky spyglass for your inner detective, though it might look like one. This small keyhole is actually a critical part of the elevator's emergency system. It allows maintenance personnel to unlock the doors for repairs, even if they're on the wrong side of the elevator. The next time you see it, remember, it's not just a random hole. It's a lifeline for elevator safety and efficiency, an unsung hero in keeping things moving smoothly in high-rise buildings. The tiny hole on airplane windows. If you've ever stared at the tiny hole on an airplane window and wondered about its mysterious purpose, you're not alone. That little hole is crucial for your comfort and safety while flying at high altitudes. Airplane windows are made up of 3 layers, and the hole on the middle layer helps regulate air pressure between the inner and outer windows. This balance prevents the outer window from cracking due to the dramatic pressure difference outside. It's a design feature that ensures you remain safe and cozy in the sky, all thanks to a small hole that works quietly behind the scenes. Kleenex tissues were invented for gas masks. Kleenex tissues, a household staple, always on hand for colds, allergies, or random messes. But their true origins might surprise you. The iconic tissue was originally invented during World War I as a substitute for cotton in gas masks. With a shortage of cotton, Kimberly-Clark developed a thin, absorbent material that could be used in these life-saving devices. It was a wartime innovation, born out of necessity, but it quickly transitioned into the everyday product we rely on today. So, the next time you reach for a Kleenex, remember you're holding a piece of history, a product that evolved from a desperate need into a global household item. The indent on the bottom of wine bottles. Punt. The punt, those mysterious indents at the bottom of wine bottles, aren't just there for looks. This small, seemingly insignificant feature actually serves a big purpose. It helps to strengthen the bottle by evenly distributing the pressure exerted by the cork, preventing your wine from unexpectedly bursting out when you uncork it. The punt also gives servers a handy grip, allowing for a smoother pour without slipping. But the most fascinating part, the punt has been around for centuries, evolving as a design feature that serves both practical and aesthetic purposes, proving that sometimes the most elegant solutions come in the smallest of details. The ridges on the F and J keys of the keyboard. Ever notice those small ridges on the F and J keys of your keyboard? They might seem like a quirky design feature, but they actually have a hidden purpose. These ridges are there to help your fingers find their way home, so you can type without constantly looking down at your hands. They serve as tactile guides for where to place your index fingers, creating a natural starting point for all your typing. In a way, they're your silent typing companions, making sure your fingers land in the right place and helping you type faster and more efficiently. It's a small, yet powerful tool that makes a big difference in your day-to-day typing experience. On-off switch lines and circles. Ever wondered where the iconic on-off switch symbols come from? The answer lies in the binary number system, where 1 represents on and 0 represents off. The line and circle symbols used on most devices are a direct representation of this system, a nod to the digital age we live in. But here's the hidden meaning. These symbols are more than just functional. They are a reminder of the digital revolution, marking the shift from analog to binary thinking. The next time you flip a switch, you're not just powering something off, you're engaging with a piece of technological history. Bluetooth markings. At first glance, the Bluetooth symbol might seem like just another tech logo, but it's steeped in history. The design is actually inspired by the initials of Harald Blåtand, a 10th century Danish Viking king known for uniting Denmark and Norway. His nickname, Bluetooth, came from his knack for bringing people together, much like how Bluetooth technology connects devices wirelessly. So when you see that familiar symbol on your phone or headphones, remember you're not just connecting to another device, but honoring a long-ago king whose legacy lives on in every wireless connection. Letters on dollar bills. Next time you're holding a dollar bill, take a closer look at the letter printed on it. This seemingly insignificant letter actually holds a secret clue to where your bill was printed. The letters represent different Federal Reserve banks across the US, and each letter corresponds to one of the 12 banks. For example, a bill marked with a C means it was printed by the Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia. It's a small detail that helps track the movement of currency, a hidden network of identifiers you've probably never noticed, but is quietly working behind the scenes to keep the economy flowing. Wrench-shaped screwdriver handles. Screwdrivers with wrench-shaped handles are designed for more than just comfort. They're built for leverage. This clever feature allows you to slide a wrench over the handle, providing additional torque when you need to apply more force to a stubborn bolt. It's the hidden tool for tough jobs, making sure you can tackle even the most challenging tasks without risking injury or stripping the bolt. It's a small detail that amplifies the power of your toolbox, ensuring you always have the right tool for the job. Tiny holes in locks. The tiny hole in locks isn't just a quirk of design. It's a vital functional feature. Not only does it help drain water out, preventing rust and damage, but it also serves as an access point for lubrication. Maintenance workers use it to oil the internal mechanisms of the lock, ensuring it stays smooth and functional for years to come. This tiny hole holds the key to the longevity and reliability of the lock, ensuring your security is never compromised by a little rain or age. The number 57 marking on a Heinz bottle. Ever wonder why Heinz bottles have a 57 stamped on them? It's not just a random number. This is the sweet spot where you should tap the bottle to get the ketchup flowing. The 57 represents the precise spot where the ketchup tends to move most easily, making it easier for you to get the last drop out of the bottle. It's a clever little secret that makes the whole ketchup experience smoother, ensuring that the next time you're waiting for your favorite condiments, you'll have a little help from Heinz's hidden genius.
Magnetic strip on microwave doors. The magnetic strip on a microwave door is something that most people don't seem to notice. This invisible feature ensures the door closes securely, forming a tight seal that helps prevent microwave radiation from leaking during operation. This magnetic strip works in conjunction with the microwave's interlock system, which disables the magnetron, the part that generates microwaves if the door is not properly shut. Without this strip, even slight gaps could compromise both efficiency and safety. Plastic liner in bottle caps. That soft plastic disc inside bottle caps isn't just random packaging, it's called a liner or wad, and it plays a vital role in preserving the contents of a bottle. The liner ensures an airtight seal, preventing liquid from leaking out and keeping gases like carbonation in. This helps maintain flavor and fizz in drinks. It also acts as a barrier against external contaminants. Without it, bottles would be prone to leakage and spoilage. In high-pressure bottles, the liner also helps withstand internal pressure, maintaining product safety. It's a small component with a surprisingly big responsibility. Hole at the end of a tape measure. At the very end of a measuring tape's metal blade, there's usually a small hole in the hook. This hole is designed to latch onto nails or screws, so one person can take accurate measurements without needing help. Simply hook the tape onto a nail, pull it out to the desired length, and you're set. Some hooks also have a serrated edge, allowing you to mark surfaces, car headrests, as emergency window breakers. The function of a car headrest isn't merely to support the head and neck during rear-end collisions, but also to break the window glass in case of emergency. The idea is to remove the headrest and use the metal rods to smash the side window by jamming or striking the glass. While the concept works in theory, especially with older cars, it's not a formally designed feature.
You see them every day. You use them every day. But have you ever wondered why they exist or what they really do? Stick around because we will be deep diving into 30 everyday items that have secret purposes. And trust me, some of them will blow your mind. Get ready to see the world in a whole new way. Margins on paper. You've seen them, but did you know they were created to protect documents from rats? Yep. Rats would chew on the edges of books, so these margins became a barrier. They also helped to guide where to cut the page so it could be stored without damage. Talk about practical. And here's the kicker. They were also there so you could hold the paper without smudging the text. Genius. Bubble wrap. Invented in 1957 by engineers Alfred Fielding and Mark Chavannes, bubble wrap was originally an attempt to create 3D wallpaper. When that didn't work, they realized its real potential, protecting electronics. And guess what? IBM was their first big customer. Who knew bubble popping would go from wallpaper disaster to shipping necessity? Play-Doh. Now here's a fun one. In the 1930s, a soap manufacturer invented it as a way to clean wallpaper that would turn black due to coal heating. But when demand dropped after World War II, a nursery school teacher saw its potential as a kid's toy. They wanted to call it Rainbow Modeling Compound. And the rest? Well, we all know what happened. Play-Doh became a household name. The hole in candy sticks. Ever wonder why there's a hole in the top of candy sticks? It's not for decoration. It serves a very clever purpose. When hot molten candy is poured into the stick, some flows into that hole. Once cooled, it hooks the candy to the stick. Not just that. The hole allows for airflow, reducing the risk of choking if swallowed. Safety and sweet design all in one. Slinky. The Slinky was never meant to be a toy. In 1943, an engineer was designing a tension spring for the U.S. Navy. When one of the springs fell off a shelf and walked instead of dropping, he and his wife saw the potential for a new toy. They found the right wire, and the Slinky was born. It sold out in no time, and now it's a classic. Rivets on denim pockets. Ever wondered about those rivets on your denim pockets? They're not just for fashion. Back in the day, people wore jeans for manual labor, and those rivets helped reinforce the seams, protecting the jeans from wear and tear. Shoulder straps on jackets. Those shoulder straps on jackets? They weren't just added for looks. They were designed to hook bags to your jacket, preventing them from falling off. Now, that's called practical design. Extra cloth on seat belts. Look closely at your car's seatbelt. Notice that extra fabric loop? When the seatbelt is under pressure, the stitches on that loop rip apart, allowing the extra fabric to cushion the passenger. Mouthwash. We use mouthwash every day to freshen our breath. But did you know it was originally invented as a floor cleaner? That's right, a floor cleaner. Imagine how far it's come since then. Pasta spoon hole. Here's a cool one. The hole in the pasta spoon isn't just for draining. It's actually designed to measure a single serving of dry pasta around 100 grams. Who knew that little hole had such a smart purpose? Converse holes. Ever notice those holes on Converse shoes? They were originally designed to help lace through, keeping the shoe tight around your feet. Not just for looks, they had a real purpose. Lash tab on backpacks. That small leather patch on the back of most backpacks? It's not decoration, it's called lash tab. Use it to hook extra gear or hang your shoes by the laces. Super useful. Scissor handles. Did you know that scissors can also work as a bottle opener and nutcracker? That's right. They're multifunctional, and you didn't even know it. Fast food cup lid. That lid on your fast food cup isn't just there to keep your drink from spilling. It also works as a tray for cups with cool drinks. Double duty at its best. Pan handles. More than just a way to hold the pan, they're actually designed to keep your spatula in place while cooking. Who knew? Strawberry on pincushions. That little strawberry on your pincushion isn't decoration, it's filled with emery powder, which sharpens pins and needles. It's a hidden cleaning tool that keeps your sewing supplies in tip-top shape. Hole in the donut. Ever wonder why donuts have holes? It's not just for the look, it's to help cook the dough evenly during mass production. Genius, right? Lock-on zippers. Those locks on zippers? They're there to save you from embarrassing situations. If you flip the zipper handle down, it locks in place. Small but mighty. Concave shape on milk bottles. Ever notice the concave shape on milk bottles? It's there to handle gas expansion when milk spoils. It helps prevent the bottle from bursting. Science at work. Grooves on cup bottoms. The little grooves on the bottom of cups aren't just for looks. They help air circulate and prevent the cup from cracking when filled with hot liquid. Clever. Grocery cart loops. See those loops on the grocery cart? They're there to hold your jacket or bag, keeping your hands free and your items organized. A small space saver. Sharp point on ointment cap. Need to open an ointment tube? Just use the sharp point on the cap to pierce the seal. No mess, no fuss. Simple design. Hole in the scale. Ever notice the hole in a ruler? It's designed for drawing perfect circles. Such a neat little feature. Long bottle and glass neck. Those long necks on bottles and wine glasses. Ever wonder why? It's not just for looks. It's to hold the cold drink without warming it up with your hand. So fancy glasses actually keep your drink chilled longer. Escalator. Brushes. Ever notice the brushes on escalators? Stop rubbing your shoes on them. Those bristles mark the edges of the steps. They're actually there to prevent shoelaces or clothes from getting sucked into the gap between the steps. That's right, they're safety features. Hole in the wash basin. See that hole under your wash basin tap? Not just for decoration. It's there to prevent overflow. When too much water flows, it exits through that hole. No more soggy mess. It's a drainage hero. Tic Tac flap. Ever wondered what that flap on the Tic Tac box is for? It's not just a design feature. It's there to hold a Tic Tac without touching it before you pop it in your mouth. Talk about handy. Dimples on golf balls. Golf ball dimples. They're not just for looks. This is pure science. Dimples increase lift and reduce air resistance, making the ball travel further. Even a small change in their shape or depth can totally alter their performance. Incredible. Thermos. Not for coffee? Thermoses. You probably use them for keeping your coffee hot, but did you know they were originally invented in 1892 by James Dewar for storing liquefied gases? Not for coffee at all, but somehow we've turned it into the perfect travel mug. Red party cups. Classic, right? But they aren't just for drinking. Those lines on the cup? They're actually for measuring alcohol. The bottom is for 1 ounce of liquor. The second line is 5 ounces of wine. And the top line, 12 ounces of beer. Your perfect pour every time.